Hey guys, I want to show off this generator that I recently built. I pretty much made it out of junk. As you can see here, we've got a Toyota Corolla 800 watt alternator, and that is connected to a Honda GX25 engine out of a rototiller. Originally built this generator because I wanted something that I can go camping with, and I could have easily purchased a tailgater, but I thought, well, I've got all this junk laying around, why not build it myself? So basically, let me show you how this works. Let's play with it a little bit. So, got the on-off switch over here. This controls the engine. Let's give it a start and see how it fires up. Let's turn the field on in the generator. Alright, so as you can see, when I connected the battery to that terminal, it slowed down the engine quite a bit, but we've got a solution for that. So we've got this throttle right here that we can use to throttle it up or down, depending on the situation, depending on what we're charging with it. But typically on low wattage applications, I could have it at low RPM, and it usually does pretty well. So right here on this box here, I've got a quick access junction box that I installed so that I can quickly do maintenance on the internal wiring. So as you can see, it just pops open like that. So we've got a USB port right here if I want to charge phones when I don't have an when I don't have a inverter. And on this side, we've got a 12-volt plug for plugging in automotive accessories or anything that'll draw less than 10 amps. So yeah, there's the alternator generator. Thanks for watching.